Let's talk about describing weather. Dine, Yadiudu, Bello. Today in Burmese, we have to say Dine. Weather, Yadiudu, Ha, Bello. So if we want to say how's the weather today, Dine, Yadiudu, Bellole. Starting with it today, Dine, Yadiudu, Ha, Bello, and we need a question marker ending le. So the whole sentence will be Dine, Yadiudu, Bellole. If we want to ask how's the weather tomorrow, starting with the tomorrow, Manapyan, Yadiudu, Bellole. Manapyan, Yadiudu, Bellole. So we start with the time and then the word Yadiudu and the question marker how, and we need a question ending le. So it will be Manapyan, Yadiudu, Bellole. Now please practice saying how's the weather today. Now let's practice together. How's the weather today? Dine Yadiudu Bellole. How's the weather tomorrow? Manapyan Yadiudu Bellole. Now let's move on to describing the weather. We want to say it is hot today. Then we'll start with it today. Dine. Hot mean poo. Hot mean poo. And we need a affirmative sentence marker day. So dine poo day. Dine poo day. Now let's practice asking question and answer. How's the weather today? Dine Yadiudu Bellole. It is hot today. Dine hot me poo, and we need the ending day. Dine poo day. Dine Yadiudu Bellole. Dine poo day. If we want to say it is cold, cold me a. Repeat after me. A. So start with the dine again. Dine a, and then the marker day. Dine a day. Now let's practice together. Dine Yadiudu Bellole. Dine a day. Let's practice one more time. Dine Yadiudu Bellole. Dine a day. Now let's practice talking about tomorrow weather. Manapyan Pume. As you notice, we start with the tomorrow again. Manapyan, weather hot me poo, and we have to change the marker to future tense marker me. So Manapyan Pume. Manapyan Pume. Manapyan Ame. It will be called tomorrow. Manapyan Ame. Manapyan Ame. To rain, mo yoa. Mo mean rain, the noun. Raining, to rain, Burmese mo yoa. Now let's practice using the word mo yoa. Dine Yadiudu Bellole. Dine mo yoa de. Now the cow. One more time. Dine Yadiudu Bellole. Dine mo yoa de. Now your turn to practice. Okay, let's practice with the new verb mo-o. Like so, repeat after me. Mo-o. How's the weather today? ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့မိုးအုံတယ်မိုးအုံတယ် Now let's practice with a new verb လေတိုက်လေတိုက် Windy in Burmese repeat after me လေတိုက်လေတိုက် So ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့လေတိုက်တယ်ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့လေတိုက်တယ် A new word sunny နေသာနေသာနေသာ So ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့နေသားတယ် Let's practice together ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့နေသားတယ် Snowy in Burmese နှင်းကျနှင်း means snow the stative verb to be snowy means နှင်းကျ Repeat after me နှင်းကျ So let's practice ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့နှင်းကျတယ်ဒီနေ့ရာသီဥတုဘယ်လိုလဲဒီနေ့နှင်းကျတယ် Now we have learned how to say asking the weather about today, asking the weather about tomorrow. So if we want to ask the weather about today, we start with the today, today, and weather, yadi udu, and we need a question mark, how, below, and then we need the ending le. So dine, yadi udu, below le. Dine, le taite. And you can see another side of the column, tomorrow manapyan. So if we want to ask about tomorrow weather, starting with the tomorrow, which is manapyan, and yadi udu, below le, manapyan, ne tame. Manapyan, ne tame. So make sure to switch the ending when we are answering about tomorrow weather. Instead of the ending there, we switch to me. Manapyan, ne tame.